What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Scandinavian Modern Renovation. It's been a minute since I've been in this house with camera. Our millwork guy has been punching his way through the basement. He's got all the doors on, all the trim on. As you can see, my painter is in the house getting all of the upstairs painting done, getting all of the main floor painting done. The whole house is changing colors. Let me get some lights on in here. So the whole house is changing from blue to gray, and he is spraying all of the trim. Looks like he's got a coat on the walls already, as well as all the doors and trim upstairs painted. As you can see, everything's getting resprayed and a new coat of paint throughout the house. Looks good. Tile guys are in the house today. I'm stacking the painter with the tile guys. Really the ideal situation, but I think everybody understands that job needs to progress. Usually guys are just happy to be working, so keep them busy. Bathroom is very different from the last time you saw it. I still don't have any lights in here. Got the tub deck framed, just waiting for the plumbers to come back and drop it in. We got cabinets stage 1 roughed in and set, ready for countertop. Other than that, shower is ready to go. They might have to do some adjustments on the floor. That's why I left that open. We are also a linear drain, curbless at the entry to the shower. So all of the water is going to be sloping into the corner to that drain. Sorry, it's a little grainy. It is very dark in this room, and it's not fully light outside yet. What else is going on? Can't really see that, but we got the medicine cabinet mounted. Just need to confirm all of those light placements. So I've got tile going in today, and I've got countertop template also going in today. Gonna have to likely do some work in here. Ooh, never noticed that, but painter painted the trim black. It's looking good. That whole wall actually gets black. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the upstairs bathroom. I think they'll probably jump into the shower today. I might work with them a little bit and try and get this floor patched up and drain fixed. And then we'll see how much plywood work we need to do. But it's looking good so far. Like I said, everything's painted and looking great. Our painter's really good. He's also doing our timber frame house. We are doing just south of the city here. This bathroom is ready to be tiled again. Backsplash around the tub is good to go. We just need to take the toilet off so they can feed their tile underneath. This room is 100% good to tile. Nobody's gonna be using foot traffic in or out of here, so that's good. And then front entry is probably gonna be one of the last things to be tiled. We still do need to cap these side stringers with MDF, and that will be painted white. This is just where the painter set up. New carpet in here. We got the ceiling retextured and fixed all the water damage, so it's looking good. Mario's cut in at the ceiling. Okay, so just coming through the house. All the MDF is for some added shelving in the basement. Fireplace is ready for tile. He actually got it painted too, which is nice. Recessed TV mount is installed temporarily. We also need to feed all of the electrical up into it. Basically, these boxes are nice because they bring everything flush to your wall, so your TV actually sits fairly flush to it. White oak built-in unit going just tucked behind that window, and then just some backsplash, which is all ready to go. Air scrubber is getting to a point where it kind of needs to be cleaned. As you can see, it's getting kind of dirty. Take you downstairs into the basement. Another note, 2 door frames, door stops off of them, so they get filled and painted. No doors going back on them. It's looking good, it's looking clean. That's what I like to see. Laminated Baltic birch plywood, full veneer, going as a play structure in that corner of the room right there. Baltic birch plywood boxes for the window returns, and then they're going to be taped into and painted. A little bit of Baltic birch on the ceiling. Double barn door is being hung right here, and then all that MDF that's upstairs is for 3 wraparound shelves that will go in this room just for some Rubbermaid storage. Look at that grain on that plywood though. Looks nice. can't wait to put it to use. Got one more door to put down here and then finish off the baseboard. It is all carpet down here, so basically the whole thing can be baseboarded, which I don't know why it's done yet. We're having a little bit of a millwork issue with the company that's doing it, but we'll get it figured out. Cabinets are rough set downstairs in the bathroom. Okay, so bedroom. Looks like our electrician went ahead and wired in USB outlets for each side of what will be the bed. Storage room, cabinets are set. Ready for countertop template. This is actually going to be sealed concrete, so we have a little bit of a concrete patch to do right there, but nothing to worry about. Casing needs to go on this door still. Coming into downstairs bathroom, I had to call the plumbers back and they had to get something fixed. Move the water lines onto this side, not this side, so that's good, it's done. Drywall just needs to be patched up now. We got that cabinet set, so it's ready for template. And then there's an outlet behind that insulation there. Just need to patch the vapor barrier. Also, Baltic birch plywood removable bulkhead for up here, so we can access that clean out. It's just gonna be a little L. We didn't really want to interfere with this casing too much. Just kind of a quick walkthrough today. Give you guys a visual on how we're progressing with the renovation. I've got other stuff to do. I can't really spend my time here today. It's the first time walking through here with a camera also, but since drywall, we've had electrical final and a bunch of millwork done since then, but it's crunch time. We haven't shut down because of the virus yet, but we're kind of fully on high alert. We're not stacking too many trades in our houses on top of each other, so we're trying to mitigate it as much as possible, make sure everyone feels safe on the job. So I really hope everyone's appreciating the videos. There is a lot that's going to happen here in the next week, so be prepared for lots of uploads. I'm going to kind of show you guys what it's like to put one of these things together. I do have some lights that need to come out of here because they're not for this job. They were brought here by mistake, so I'm going to get those back to the shop. Other than that, just need to meet the tile guy here at some point and make sure he knows what he's doing. Make sure he's good to go with everything. And then we'll be on our way, I think. I think we're going to end up taking over the millwork in this house. I might put a carpenter in here this week and have him just blast it off. It was a sub trade, but like I said, we're kind of having some issues in dealing with them. So yeah, I'm going to switch it up a little bit and try something else. So the tile guy should start on this backsplash, and then he'll jump onto the fireplace, jump into the boot room, and then he can jump upstairs into the upstairs bathroom. By that time, I'll have everything ready for him, and we can work out whether a linear drain without a curb is going to work. Yeah. Hoping that a lot of the orders for this renovation don't get delayed, because unfortunately a lot of stuff comes from overseas and our borders are shut down. So not a lot coming in or out right now, but gives us, I don't know, a little bit of time to get caught up on some stuff that we should be caught up on. So that's what we're going to use it for. Like I said, hope you guys appreciate the video. If you do like the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. If you hit the little bell beside it, it will give you a notification every time I post a new video, which definitely helps in the algorithms and boosts channels like this. If you guys like the content, give her a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.